taking my morning stroll before opening at the Gem Show 22nd Street and come across this extraordinary booth, Little River Woodworks, and amazed by the incredible gorgeousness of each of these bowls, many of whom have stone accents. Look at that wall fixture with malachite in the middle. And this one here, very cool, nice little world in there. Quartz on top. These are almost like caps or tops to these things. And the burling of the wood is just totally outstanding. Look at all that amazingness. One after another. There's some pyrite. Very cool.